Welcome to Trading Lounge and the US Indices, and we're looking at the S&P here, of course. So, in this instance here, we're counting as 1 and 2 here, and wave 3 up here, and we're looking for wave 4. Now, wave 4 can be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave here before moving up into this space here, or wave 4 may already be completed here. So wave 3, 4, and 5 up through here. Let's just go in and have a look at the details, shall we? But also too, this level here, you know, this is, if we look at a classic trading levels pattern, which is the arrival, the reaction, which is happening now, and then the first high above the level, and then we'll have some type of corrective pattern here. Okay, that's pretty much what we're looking at. So we're not going to miss anything. So we can go long over here once it breaches back up here, or if wave 4 pulls back even further, we can look at it. But we don't want to get, we don't really want to get too much involved in this particular wave 4 here. Yes, we'll short it, but trading less, of course. So let's just go straight into this little section here, okay? So in this little section here, last time we spoke, the two counts are that I've got, this is the one that I've always had, which was the A wave here, a B wave in 3 waves here, and then 5 waves here for the C wave. So we can have wave 4 in play here already, okay? And we noted that before, so we were looking for a move to the upside. The other count is that because this one is the high here, it's possible to have, this is the high, and then this would, as a top, this would be 5 waves down for the first wave, and then we would need to look at this here as corrective. So I've got it as 1 and 2 here, and 3 here, ABC for 4 here, and then 1 and 2 here, and the third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave here. So that's okay, but you could also count it the other way, which counts quite well as well, which would be the A wave here. So an A and a B and a C for the A wave, a B wave here, and a C wave here. And then that would leave us on the short side. So it's pretty simple to sort of know what to do here, really, because if I count this up here as 5 waves up here, which I'm okay with, then an A and a B and a C wave, I need to put that C wave here. Yeah, then that would make wave 1 and 2. So if I can just move this out of the way for a moment here and just copy this here, 1, 2, 3 should do us here. So that can be wave 1 and 2 sitting in here, and then we're going up for wave 3 here. I mean, we are looking at Friday, so in a bullish market, Friday is normally the bullish day, followed through by Monday. If the trend is going to change, then Friday is going to be the bearish day, so then it'll follow through on the Monday. So also too, from this low here to this high here, this is the 61.8%, so it's right on that there, and you'd expect a bit of a bounce on all of that. So we'll put in wave C of 2 there, but if this low is breached, then we can go short from here. So yeah, I can just put that through here as the short trade here. Bear with me a second to get all the pretty pictures organized. But also too, we want to be looking at going long. I can't bring this across in front of the price, which is a bit unfortunate, but what we can do here is let's draw a little line here at the 28.90. So if the 28.90 becomes the support, because and also too, if I can just use this line over here, say this was the 28.90 here, so the market would have its arrival, which is pretty much done at this point, and it's doing a reaction as it's doing now. If it pushes up above, you still don't want to chase it, okay? You want to allow it to come back and do its little corrective pattern, and then after it's done that, you've got that reference point, and well, that's the first one, and then you've got the second one here. Then you can take either two of these here. Then you'll be safe from that point, and then we'll be pushing up into wave 3. Now wave 3 should be pretty much the same length as wave 1, if not another 60% bigger as well. Yeah, we could be looking to go right up into the 29.30 area here before we get a top in play here. Okay, so that wave 5 can move over here. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 moving up that way. So if it's going to go, if the market, if I've got this wrong here, and this is a little A, B, and C wave, oops, on that one, then we're going to be coming down for wave 4 here. Okay, so that means that the move down through here would be all part of it. It may just stop here too. This, you have to be a little bit careful, because well, even I can't use those as an example because it wouldn't be part of the structure. But if that was the top and we came down in 5 waves here, you see how high this came here? The futures market came up to the 2900. So it's really going quite flat across here. So what could really happen here is we could look down as 1 here and 2 here and 3 here and 4 here, but we've got overlapping wave structures here, so probably not the case. But we could just get one more move down here and then up there as well. But whatever happens, then, you know, in this space here, just make sure that you're long on the 2890. There's going to be problems here, of course, at the 2900 and so on. So you'll have to give it, I suggest trade less, but give it a much wider stop in this case. If it was going to move down here, then yeah, the length of this distance here will be much the same here. So it's really just going to come back down into group 2 here. So group 2 here, I can remove this here. That's not that important. 65, 72 and 80 is group 2. This is, it's all quite normal here for a bullish market because it's come up to the 2900. When we're working with the 2900, we use group 1 above, 1, 2 and 3, and 65, 72 and 80 below. So that's the range that we would expect the market to vibrate at coming into that space. So yeah, I'll just leave it there. To me, it's really quite sort of simple, you know. Yeah, so there you go. I don't know what else to say, really. I'll just leave it at that, I think. Yep. Okay. Alrighty, enjoy the weekend. Cheers.